In this video, I'm going to go over everything that you receive with your Siiejia couch, a quick overview of the assembly process and what it looks like when it's fully assembled so you have a good understanding of what the couch is going to be. But let's start with the assembly process. There really isn't many pieces to it. The cushions do come compressed, so you have to fluff those up a bit, and I'll show you how to do that at the end. But overall, it's very simple. There's only about 8 steps to it, and they give you all the tools that you need to get this together easily. But now let's start with getting the actual frame together. This is what it's going to look like. It's basically just lining up the armrest with that bottom support piece. You can be able to put in a couple bolts on each side and then connect them together. Overall, this process took me about 30 minutes to get that whole frame together. It's very simple. Everything was nicely labeled. And for the storage ottoman, it's the same thing. You just line up the bolts, put them in there, and you're good to go. And now we can move on to that final step, which is putting the cushions in there. There is Velcro throughout this couch and on the bottom of the cushions, so they're going to stick into place and not move around on you. And the bottom cushions come fully expanded, ready to go. The back cushions, you do have to fluff those up. They do come compressed. They say they're going to take 72 hours. I was able to get them pretty much out of the box, fluffed up and ready to go same day. So don't expect it to take too long with those. But this is what it looks like when it's fully complete. I think this is like the perfect couch for a smaller apartment or a smaller area. It has a storage ottoman that comes with it, which is super nice. Cup holders on the side and then extra storage pockets on the side as well and on both sides. So you do get a whole bunch of storage with this couch, which I think is an added perk to it. But overall, this is awesome bang for your buck. Like I said, you get the couch, a storage ottoman, and then additional storage on the side. So I give this thing 2 thumbs up.